2/3 of the cars in a parking lot are blue, and 3/4 of the blue cars are convertibles. If 3/4 of the convertibles in the parking lot are blue, then what part of the cars in the lot are neither blue nor convertibles? It's a fairly challenging fraction problem. It's probably appropriate for middle school students, and we're going to solve it visually. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to start with a 3x4 rectangle to represent my parking lot. That will take care of these two fractions. We're going to see what we can do with this later when the time comes. So 3 comes from the denominator of the first fraction, and 4 comes from the denominator of the second fraction. So this is my entire parking lot. 2/3 of the cars are blue. Let's erase the green marks. 2/3 of the cars in the parking lot are blue. So I shade 2/3. These are my blue cars. Now, let's read the next sentence. 3/4 of the blue cars are convertibles. We are only looking at the blue cars now. And 3/4 of these cars are convertibles. That would be 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. I'm not looking at the entire parking lot. I'm only looking at the blue cars. So I'm going to write C for convertible. So these are my convertible blue cars. I can go back and check my work. 2/3 of the cars are blue, and 3/4 of the blue cars are convertible. Let's work on this. If 3/4 of the convertibles in the parking lot are blue, okay, now there are more convertibles. There are non-blue convertibles. They will be here. And this line, the one that I just underlined, says 3/4 of the convertibles in the parking lot are blue. Now if you try to visualize all the convertibles, the question says 3/4 of them are blue. Now this is 3/4 because these are blue convertibles. If this is 3/4, this has to be 1/4. Each strip has to be 1/4. This has to be 1/4. This strip also has to be 1/4. This strip also has to be 1/4. You really want to get that. The blue convertibles represent 3/4 of the convertibles. So 2 of these squares must represent 1/4 of the convertibles. So if I have 3/4 of the convertibles are blue, 1/4 of the convertibles are non-blue, and that would be, let's erase everything. So if 2 of the C's represent 1/4 and I have 3/4 here, to make all the convertibles I need 4/4, and the last fourth will come from here. Now these are my convertibles. Now I can go back and check my math. Now if you have 8 boxes representing your convertibles and 6 of them are blue convertibles, and that's correct, 3/4 of the convertibles are blue. Now the last part of my question, what part of the cars in the lot are neither blue nor convertible? 2 of these are neither blue nor convertibles. 2 out of 12. There are 12 boxes. So let's erase everything. So these 2 are neither blue nor convertible out of 12. So my answer is going to be 2/12 of the cars are neither blue nor convertibles, or 1/6 if you reduced your fraction to 12s.